Hi guys, welcome to Engineering YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing good. In this video, I will talk about biomedical engineering and the role of biomedical engineering in hospitals. Now, before I proceed, I want you to first of all click on the subscription button, like, and also share, and also make your comments. So, biomedical engineers are also known as medical engineers. They work with medical professionals and patients to design and develop advanced healthcare technology. Their typical duties include liaising with medical and scientific staff and patients to understand their needs, design, developing, and testing products, equipment, devices that will address medical problems, then also design, testing, and implementing new medical procedures such as computer-aided surgery and tissue engineering. The role of a biomedical engineer is pivotal in the smooth functioning of hospital equipment and departments. A biomedical engineer takes diligent care for the smooth functioning of medical devices and also manages the overall structuring of a hospital, like various departmental planning, involving in designing the floor plan of hospital, procurement of higher-end equipment, followed by preventive maintenance of the same. To explain in brief, the responsibilities of a biomedical engineer begins with hospital planning, calculation of ROI, which is return on investment, purchase of equipment, installation, commissioning, training, creating the master assets list of the devices in the entire hospital, quality assurance for radiology devices, and managing the gas plants. Once the device is in use, it has to undergo periodic action plans and management of maintenance contracts along with calibration. Finally, all the above processes need to be stored and documented in the database for future references. So let me begin from the first one, which is the planning. In this phase, a biomedical engineer needs to have a thorough plan of devices ranging from lower risk to higher risk, which will suit the hospital depending on the geographical area and other aspects. So the next is the pre-purchase evaluation and negotiation in procurement. This is the most time-consuming and brainstorming part among all the processes, wherein a complete study needs to be done before procuring a device in a hospital, followed by a fair and ethical negotiation. Later comes the purchase and related paperwork. So the next duty of a biomedical engineer is commissioning and installation post procuring the devices. The purchased equipment to be matched to the purchase order, then to be installed and commissioned. This is where service engineers require full support from biomedical engineers to run the installation work and also to check on the device's performance and operation. After that is done, the training takes place. In this phase, biomedical engineers give training to healthcare workers associated with the device to teach them the complete functioning and application of the device. In regard with the training sections conducted, engineers need to get a document signed stating the successful completion of the training. Refresher training is also conducted under this category, where training is given periodically to keep the healthcare workers updated on new device upgrades. Then we go to the breakdown management. Under breakdown management, the Six Sigma methodology, that is DMAIC, which means define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, has a major role, which help the engineers to ease their work and move in a streamlined flow. This includes various categories like management of maintenance contracts, analysis of equipment failure, assessment of repair costs, scheduling of repair and preventive maintenance visits, monitoring and documentation. Now we move into another role of a biomedical engineer, which is incoming inspection of equipment. This includes various audits like NABL, NABH, and other international accreditation like JCI and ACHSI. The report and documents related to each device needs to be submitted to the auditors. The other sole responsibility of a biomedical engineer is risk management, where the devices will be provided with risk classes while testing, followed by a computerized medical management system, which is a perfect tool for tracking device inventory and maintenance history. This in turn reduces the preventive maintenance requirements and internal device surveillance along with changes in standards. Okay, we move now to documentation of all condemnation. If equipment is not repaired or out of use, the device which cannot be used or repaired should be labeled as condemned devices. Such category devices need to be listed and documented. So you see that the responsibility of a biomedical engineer is not just limited to device handling, but also to ensure that the entire environment where the device fits into is well managed and maintained without fail. The proper and timely practice of these steps will offer standard healthcare services to the public. Hope this article on the roles and responsibilities of a biomedical engineer in a hospital is insightful. So please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.